Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you my setup and the motorcycle that I'm gonna take in the event that it's gonna be in the next few days, which is Portugal north to south, around 700 800 kilometers riding. It's 4 or 5 days, and I'm gonna take this beautiful Africa Twin from Honda with me. As you can see, it's fully equipped, this motorcycle. I have the side cases, I do have the top cases, the cruise controls and everything. This is the 2020 model, so it has everything. I'm gonna take this helmet from Nolan, the N100/5, which is a modular helmet, which I'll be doing a review. I'm gonna do the review while on the road because it's brand new, and I'm gonna try it on the event. And as you can see, I already have my GoPro and all the stuff installed on the helmet. Also, I have the Cardo Pack Talk, which I'm gonna do the review. And here we have the Insta360 One X2, which you're gonna see in detail. And I did some modifications here on the handlebar. I have two stands for the phones. So we're gonna take a closer look at that in a while. And the gear I'm gonna wear, it's always from my partner, the Portuguese manufacturer, RSW Motowear. I'm gonna take this jacket, like for sure, the N222. The trousers, I think I'm gonna take their new model, which is this one. Jeans trousers with knee protection, zip protections. The model is the Peter. And the only thing that's fun to decide, it's the gloves, which I think I'm gonna take one from them, but I still have to decide the best choice because I do need to be touching my phone, and I will think about that. Let's take a closer look at the motorcycle now. Okay, starting here with the front, like I said, we have the Insta360 One X, which is attached to the invisible stick. Of course, I do have a cable running here to give it power, which is with gas tape here connecting, so it doesn't show on the images. And it's here connected to this 12-volt socket on the motorcycle, which is really cool. Then I attach it here to the crash bar and here with this clamp also, so make everything secure. And I'm gonna try this on the road. It shakes a little bit, but we're gonna see how the footage will go. Like I said, the handlebar, it's a little bit different, okay? I do have this support here with the RAM mount for the phone that I'm gonna use for the GPS for the road book, which I always use. And this one will be a secondary one, and it uses the quad lock wireless charger. So this is another product that I'm also trying, so see if it is good. It's promising. So it's connected to the USB there. Everything is working as it's supposed to be. Then we have all these buttons about the Africa Twin, which is nice. And like I said, the last thing, it's the helmet, the Nolan, which I've been riding it for the last couple of days, and I've been enjoying it very much. It was a challenge to connect the camera here, which is this one, the Osmo Action, and making sure everything opens and works when I have the helmet opened or the helmet closed, but nothing that a little bit of tape doesn't work, and it's not beautiful, but it does the job. And it's gonna be like that. The microphone is here. So basically, this is the complete setup I'm gonna try. The only thing that I'm in doubt, it's the 306. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I hope it works. If it works, it's nice. If it doesn't, I will remove it. And before I go, I just want to remind you my partnership with CarTrack, which there is a link down in the description if you are interested, which gives the first month free. And please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!